there's these pipes that always make some gurgling sounds.
Ooh.
Frequent, and I think it lets out some odor.
Yes, guys, welcome back again to the student accommodation interview, and I'm here with.
My name is Dio.
What's been your best and worst experiences in the Nottingham student accommodation?
My worst experience would be the plumbing. There's these pipes that always make some gurgling sounds.
Ooh.
Frequent, and I think it lets out some odor. I'm not sure if it's like the other rooms, but it's kind of distracting.
What do you think is causing it?
I'm not sure. I called the maintenance people. They're saying it's some big work. They couldn't do anything at the end, so I just had to firm it.
Wow.
So next year I'm moving.
Even when you're sleeping, constant noise. Like,
I'm not even sure I'm sleeping. I don't really know about it. I'm sleeping. But it's not frequent, but it's maybe 5 times.
It's annoying.
It's the best. I live in a studio.
Nice.
The space is nice. I can do some personal workouts, sit-ups, push-ups. So it's nice. I don't need to be cramped.